Assalamu alaikum. Many of you have been asking me how I wear my mask. So this is the mask. It's a 4-ply mask, and here is the metal bit for the nose. And what I do is I just have a scissors and I cut off here one and here another. That's at the bottom of it. Once that is cut, what I normally would do is just to tie these two ends together. And subhanallah rabbil alameen, here goes, mashallah, tabarakallah, there goes, the two ends are tied together, mashallah. And when that's tied, I normally just slice this off a little bit to make it look neater, and then I'll fold this a little bit, put it over my head, there goes, put that down there. Because of my beard, I'll get that, fold it there, and pull that down. And because of the beard, it holds, and there's nothing disturbing here, so it's actually tucked in properly. Wow, mashallah, tabarakallah, simple as that. You have a beard, you'll never regret this. Here goes, mashallah. Then you can actually just do that, and whenever you want, you can lift that back up again. And if you really want to eat or drink, you might just want to just do that to put a straw in or a cup quickly. There goes. You can even actually use it like that, just like some people use their sunglasses, right? Mashallah.